Hi there, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new tutorial. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to add email verification in WooCommerce to prevent spam and fake orders on your online store. This method is extremely useful if your WooCommerce site is receiving fake checkout orders, bot registrations or invalid email address and you want to secure your online store without hurting the real customer experience. But before we jump into the main tutorial, if you visit my YouTube channel WP Handy, then you will find lots of helpful WordPress tutorials like how to create classified listing website, e-commerce website, elementor guide and basic WordPress as well. So if you want to learn WordPress step by step and want to build secure, professional and modern website, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Then let's get started. First thing first, let's check which we are going to do in this tutorial. So I can close this tab and this is an example website. I can copy this website URL and open up with another browser as a logout user. So copy it and open with another browser. Great, this is the example website and try to register as a user. So click this my account page and you can see this is the register form. So give an email address here like I want to give it, then the password will be same, register. Great, you can see it shows a message, thank you for your registration, your account has to be activated before you can log in, please check your email. That's mean it asks to verify your email address. Then again go to the shop page and try to purchase a product. Just I want to purchase it, click over here, then the checkout, add to cart, view cart, checkout. Okay, just give the necessary information and check it. Email address, just I want to give it here, district. That's great. Now click over here, place order. Yes, and you can see it shows another message, your email is not verified. Check on the verification link below the email field and confirm it in your inbox. That means it asks email verify as well. So I hope if you add this type of email verification in your e-commerce website or online store, then most of the fake order and the bot registration will be reduced and it will be great experience for you and for your existing users as well. That's great. Now again go to the website. Now I can close this example website as well. Then this is the website where I want to add this type of email verification feature, and very fast we have to install a free plugin whose name is customer email verification for WooCommerce. That's why go to the admin dashboard and hover over on plugins, click over here add plugin. Just search here customer email verification for WooCommerce. Great, you can see this is the plugin which we are going to use in this tutorial, customer email verification for WooCommerce. Don't worry, I have given the link in this video description. Now click over here install now, then activate. After install and activating the plugin, you will be redirected to this area. This is the admin dashboard and currently you can see all installed plugins are showing here. Right now I have installed and activated this plugin, customer email verification for WooCommerce, and a new option is added in left side menu. You can see WP factory. If you hover on it, then you can see recommendations and email configuration. Just you have to click over here email verification to configure the plugin. So click over here. That's great. You can see this is the plugin settings page and very fast general tab is selected. Scroll down and you can see block unverified login must be. You have to check this box to block the unverified users. definitely I want to use this feature, so check this box, then the scroll down, login on activation. After verification the email, the user will be logged in automatically, so I want to use this feature, so check this box. And guest users, all user need to be verify the email address, so check these boxes. Then you can see ignore user role administration, that mean the user do not need to verify his email address. Sure, I want to use it. If you want, then you can remove it from here, so I want to use it and keep it as default. Then these features are full feature. Then scroll down my account page. Definitely I want to enable the email verification for the my account page, so check these boxes. Then the scroll down and keep it as and one-time activation link. That's mean very first time the user need to verify the email address. After verify the email address, then the user can log in, registration, login and purchase any product without email verification again and again. So I want to use it. Then keep it as default 0 seconds. Then the redirect on success. Actually after verify the email address, where the user will be redirect, I want to redirect to the my account page, so I want to keep it as a default. If you want, then you can select another page, or if you want, then you can give custom URL. So I want to select my account page. Then the scroll down, then save changes. That's great. Then navigate to the another tab, shortcode. This is the shortcode. Actually I will show it later. Then navigate to the another tab, email. Scroll down and you can see this is the email option, actually plain email template and WC email template. Actually this is the plugin email template in email tab. Scroll down and I want to keep as default, and if you want, then you can change the email address from here and send a separate email address, send a verification as a separate email. Yes, I want to use it, so check this box. Scroll down and just keep as default. Then the confirmation email, you can see confirmation email, send confirmation email to user who have just verified their account. Sure, I want to use it. Then another option, send confirmation email to the user manually verified by admin. No, I don't want to send it. Scroll down and keep it as default. Then the save changes. Then navigate to the another tab, blocking, and the very first option is block pages. If you want, then you can block any page for the unverified users. I want to keep it as a default. Then the scroll down and redirect. If you want, then you can give any page URL here. Actually it's the full feature. Then scroll down, then just keep it as a default. If you want, then you can change or check any boxes. Role checking customer, definitely I want to block customers. That's mean without verification the email address, the customer or user not be able to purchase it, or their account will be not activate. Okay, so give here customer, then scroll down, then keep it as default and save changes. That's great. Now try to purchase a product without verify the email address. So scroll down and I want to purchase it. Click over here. Then the color, just I want to purchase blue color. Change quantity, add to cart. Then the view cart, checkout. Great. Now give the necessary information I want to give it, and it will be like body shell. Then the email address I want to give it here. This is my email address, mehdi.vtech@gmail.com. Then click over here, purchase order. Yes, and you can see your email is not verified. Click on the verification link below the email field and confirm it in your inbox. That's mean without verify the email address, I can't purchase the product. That's great, and I expected this feature. Okay, scroll down. Now you can see this is the send verify email. Just click over here, send verify email, and verification mail sent successfully to the billing email. Please check inbox and verify. Okay, go to email address, and this is my email address. Go to inbox, or just check the spam folder. Yes, you can see I have received the verification email here. So click over here. Yes, you can see, please click here to verify your email on this. So click over here, please click here. That's great. You can see your email is verified. Now again, try to purchase the product. Yes, email ID verified. That's great. Now again, click over here, place order. That's great. You can see the email verification works perfectly in checkout page or during the product purchase. Now try to register as a user. So go to the my account page. Click here, login, just refresh this page. Yet you can see already I have logged in. So just log out. Then try to register with another email address. So just I can use a temporary email. Just change it, and great, I want to use it. Actually I use it only for the test purpose, and the email and password will be same. So click over here. Yes, you can see, thank you for your registration. Your account has to be activated before you can log in. Please check your email address. So I can go my email. So click here and activate email. Great, you can see your account has been activated. The email verification works perfectly for the user registration as well. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If it helpful for you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching the video.